Hello everyone, welcome to this bubble tip of the week. Today we're going to be talking about repeating group. Repeating groups are groups that can repeat certain data within your app. The best way I can explain it, the Facebook or Twitter feed, or now S, they are repeating groups of type posts, with some of them being type ads. As you can tell, it's a repeating group with different posts all down on the feed, similar to how S does it. When you go to your Bubble application, you will have repeating group. This is Societal Labs, our social media template. Basically, once you go down the line, you have groups, you have ads, and you have community suggestions, and you have more ads. This one is HTML type. And to build repeating groups, all you have to do is go on the sidebar, grab a repeating group, drag and drop. We're going to extend it all the way down. We don't want to have a maximum amount of rows, but we only want one column. You want to select your content type. For the data source, you want to do a search for, and actually we don't want option set, I'm sorry, we want data type. Then for type, you are going to select the same one. You're going to select any constraints that you want. We're not going to select any constraints, and that's it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a test that we're going to fit in there, and the test is going to be the product name. So current search product title, and that's it. If we had any products on the database, which we don't have, but if we had any, it will appear there on the titles. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. For more bubble tips, please follow me or subscribe to my channel, and we will be releasing a bubble tip every week, and we're going to show you something useful for you to get started. This is meant for beginners, so if you're a beginner, please hit that subscribe button.